Hello, my sweet chickies. How are you? Me? I'm good. I am going to teach you guys a phonics lesson right now, and we are going to learn a new set of letters for the k sound. We already know that the k sound is made by the letter C, as in cat, and also the letter K is in kite. There's another set of letters that makes the k sound, and they're special. So here we go. Echo these words for me. This word is sick. Echo the word sick. Good job. Now, let's echo this next word. This word is luck. Echo the word luck. Good job. This is our last word. This word is stack. Echo the word stack. Excellent. What sound do you hear at the end of sick, luck, and stack? The k sound? That's right. So, that sound k at the end of a word, like it is here, is made by two letters, the letters C and K. This is a new set of letters that we're going to learn. It's called Digraph CK. So, our card for that and our keyword are duck, k, duck, k. And if you notice on this card, the CK is underlined. It's underlined to tell us that the C and K together make the k sound. So it's one of those things that we've learned about before where it's two sounds that come together so smoothly that they sound like one sound. But it's not a blend because it's at the end. So it's a digraph. So anytime we hear that sound at the end of a word, we know that it's a digraph and it has to be underlined. Now, I said that, and that's true, but it's not completely true because there's a little bit more to this rule. So let's look at our rule card. Final k spelling rule. Final k spelling rule, which tells us CK after a short vowel, like in black, duck, and lock. So let's read that again. Final k spelling rule. CK after a short vowel. So just like with the letter C and the letter K, we're going to be listening for that vowel sound. Is it short or is it long? So let's come over here and look. I'm going to set that right there. I'm going to put up our CK with our keyword duck, and I'm going to put up our CK that is the sound. So let's look at these words again. Sick, luck, stack. I'm going to go ahead and just underline the CK at the end because I know that sick, luck, and stack, by looking at them, have a CK at the end. And when we see a CK at the end, it's a digraph CK, and we're going to underline it. But I want us to listen for that vowel sound, okay? So this is the word sick. Let's break that up. S, I, k. I hear three sounds. The vowel sound I is short, so I would go ahead and code it with a brev. Now let's look at luck. Ol, a, k. Luck has three sounds, but four letters. The CK is at the end. The U is short, so I'm going to code it with a brev. And we've already underlined digraph CK. So luck. Now let's look at stack. This one's kind of tricky, so listen close. St, a, k. St, a, k. I hear three sounds. ST is a blend, two letters that also move together so smoothly that they only make one sound. It's at the beginning. St, a, k. Three sounds. A is short, so I would code it with a brief. It's also followed by a consonant, but it's CK, so we underline it. So let's look at three more words. Let's go ahead and do our words over here that are our rule words. Let's do black, duck, which is our keyword, and lock. Okay, let's look at these words. Let's read this one. Black, like the color. Bl, a, k. Bl, a, k. I hear three sounds, but I see that BL is a blend, bl, so we don't need to do anything. A is the short A sound, so I'm going to code that with a breath. I see that it's followed by a consonant, so I know it's for sure short, but I see it's followed by a CK. So that's digraph CK, and I'm going to underline it. Now, let's code duck, which is our keyword. D, a, k. Three sounds. D, a, k. Okay, I hear an which is the short U sound. I see that it's followed by a consonant, so I know it's short. I'll code it with a breath. Then I hear k, which is the final k spelling rule, and so I know it's digraph CK, so I'll underline it. Now we've coded the word duck. Okay, I'm going to read this last word to you. I want you to think about it, listen to it, and tell whoever you're with how you would code it, and then I'll go back and code it. This word is lock. L, a, k. Lock. L, a, k. Now think about your rules and the word lock. What do you know about your phonics rules and this word? What can you tell your mom and dad? Okay. Have you told them? Let's go. Lock. What is this? It's a vowel. Very good. It's followed by a consonant. What do we know about a vowel followed by a consonant? It's always short. Ah. Code it with a breath. Good job. A breathe, a breath. You know the rules. Whichever one you want to say. L, a, k. I hear a final k. Final k. Spelling rule. CK after a short vowel. So it must be a digraph CK. So we underline it to remind us that it's a digraph. And it's at the end. It's the final sound. I bet you're wondering right now, how would you write that on your letter page? Well, I'm going to tell you. When your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother or whoever you're with reads off the letter sounds for the worksheet, you're going to do what you already know to do. You're going to do K, because we know that the letter K makes the K sound. Then you're going to put a comma, and you're going to do the letter C. which we already know, the k in cat. So K and C. Now, you're going to add something to that. Watch what I do. You're going to draw two nice tall lines, vertical lines, that tell you that this is the finish. These are the beginning sounds because they're before the line. This is the finish or the final sounds. So this is the sound at the finish or the final part of the word. So there, you're just going to write C, K. So you're going to write K, comma, C, two very long vertical lines, and then final stable syllable, no, it's wrong. Final digraph, C, K. Final stable syllable. That's for first grade. We're not doing that. So, K, comma, C, two very tall vertical lines, and then digraph, C, K. Final digraph, C, K. We're not going to underline it because remember, when we're doing our letter sound review, we don't code the words or the letters. Well, we don't code the letters. So you'll write K, comma, C, two vertical lines, and then CK when you hear the K sound. So really quickly, we're going to practice this. I'm going to draw some lines over here. Boop, boop, boop. There's three more little lines. Okay, so I'm going to pretend like I'm a student. You are going to watch me. Over here is going to be the teacher noise. Over here. B. Boys and girls, the sound is B. Very good. Boys and girls, the sound is O. O. Very good. Boys and girls, this time the sound is Ah. Very good. Boys and girls, this time the sound is K. Watch me. See what I did there? Okay. All right, boys and girls, this next sound is W. All right. This final sound is Sh. Good job, boys and girls. See right there how I coded it? C, comma, K, two tall lines, CK. Final digraph, CK, or final K sound, CK, digraph CK. All right, if you have any questions about this new set of rules, you let me know and I will happily walk you through it. Again, just remember that the K sound, keyword duck, final digraph K, CK, it's the final K spelling rule. Final K spelling rule, CK, after a short vowel, like in the words black, duck, block. Good job, boys and girls. See you later.